Presenting before you the Dragon Touch Vision 3. Now let's move on to the unboxing. So the first thing which we get inside the box is the action camera itself. It's inside its protective waterproof casing. The next thing we get inside the box is the accessories box. It contains huge number of accessories which can be used to attach the action camera to various types of surfaces to enhance the videography. It contains mounts which can be used to attach it to a bicycle, to a car, to a helmet, or to any surface which the user wants. So the next thing which we get inside the box is the micro USB cable which can be used to charge the camera and transfer the photos and videos from it onto the desktop. It also contains a 2.4 GHz remote control branded by Dragon Touch. The included charging dock can charge two batteries simultaneously and takes a micro USB input. It also contains two batteries which are 3.7 volts and are lithium ion. Furthermore, the accessories contain a cleaning cloth to clean the lenses and the screen, along with some sticky pads to stick onto the surfaces and some cable ties. The next thing which we get inside the box is some velcros and some straps to attach it to various surfaces. The next thing which we get inside the box are some pads to stick it to the helmet surfaces. And now the final thing inside the box are some user manuals for the camera and the 2.4 GHz remote control. So now moving on to the action camera itself. The action camera comes well packed inside its waterproof casing. To remove it, just pull the lever and pull out the camera from its casing and it will fall out. There are various protective layers which are on the screen and also on the lenses of the action camera, which we can pull it out very easily. Now all we need to do is put in the battery and the action camera is ready to use. The battery came included with the action camera itself. Now put in the battery inside its case. And press the power button for 3 seconds until you hear a sound and the Dragon Touch UI appears on the LED screen. And here's the camera all functioning. Thanks for watching.